How to remove Temu minimum spend limit. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Temu. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on You located at the bottom. In here, click on Support, which is located at top right corner of your screen with headphones icon. Click on it and it will lead you to Support. In Support, scroll down. Scroll down till you find Contact Us option. Click on Contact Us. In here, type in remove minimum order limit and then send it. After that, they'll give you this option, which is I would like to add more products, or no, I still want to remove the order limit. If you select both, you'll find the same answer. You can select continue after adding more desired products to your cart. Thank you for working with us to support environmentally friendly consumption. So Temu does not simply remove minimum spend limit, but for some country and for some reasons it will be helpful, but for some reasons that option is not available to simply remove limit. And this is how to remove Temu minimum spend limit. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.